multiplication, or in the sense nothing but it is a additions, right? So actually they give, for understanding better understanding, we will take one examples. In a candy shop there are 2 white chocolates, 3 dark chocolates and 4 brown chocolates are there. And one person's, his name is Eric. Eric wants 2 chocolates and doesn't care whether it is white or brown. So you need to find a possible way, how many possible ways are there to get that chocolates, right? Eric can choose 2 chocolates, right? 2 white chocolates or 2 dark chocolates or 2 brown chocolates. Actually these things they already clear in questions only. He doesn't care whether he want white chocolates, dark chocolates or brown chocolates. So let us suppose now we don't know any concept of permutation combinations, and then we are going to understand these things. So how it is possible? Let us suppose you have chocolate W1 and W2, right? So within 2 chocolates you want to be choose 2. So we have how many? 1 will be there. Another things, if we are going to be talk about dark chocolates, so we can take D1, D2, T3 and T3, 3 chocolates, right? If we are going to be talk about brown chocolate, so it will be B1, B2, B3, B4. These are the chocolates have now. These are the chocolates we have in shopkeeper hand, right? So let us suppose out of these 2 chocolates, if you want to find the chocolates, how many possible ways are there? You have only one possible ways, right? Either you can take W1, W2 or W2, W1. So both are the same things only, right? Now you are coming to dark chocolates. We have a 3 dark chocolates. Out of these 3 dark chocolates, you are going to be select 2. So what are the ways can be possible? Either you can choose D1 or D2. D1, D2, that can be one possibility. Another possibility will be D2, T3. Another possibility can be D3 and D1, right? So these are the 3 possibilities are there to choose the chocolates. Now coming to this 4, out of 4 chocolates you are going to be choose any of 2 chocolates. So what you can choose? You can choose B1, B2. Else you can choose, consider B2, B4, right? So we are going to consider B2, B4, B2, B4. So if you are going to be check, how many possible chocolates you are getting here, this can be one way. This can be one way. This can be second way. This is your third way. This is your fourth way. This is your fifth way. And this is your going to be sixth way. So total 6 way you are getting here. Total 6 way you are getting here. Total 3 way you are getting here. And 1 way you are getting here. I already indicate this OR means nothing but it's a plus. This OR means nothing but it's a plus. So 1 plus 3 plus 6 means total 6, 3, 9 plus 1. So total 10 ways are there. 10 ways are there to get a chocolates through Eric. Okay. Now we are going to be check with another example. In case, if I am going to talk about the case 2. So here don't think about how I am writing 2C2, 3C2, 4C2. Just go with the flow. And end of the lectures I'll explain how I am going to say these things. Okay. Now the thing is there, Eric wants 2 chocolates, especially one from white and one from brown category. In this scenario, what we need to do? Let us suppose 2 chocolates are there. Out of 2 chocolates, you are going to get 1 chocolate. Out of 2 chocolates, you are going to get a 1 chocolate. And this 1 chocolate, how many possible way are there? Let us suppose you have 2 chocolates, W and W2. So either you have 2 chocolates W1 and W2. Either you will take W1 or either you will take W2. So that can be 1. This can be 1. This can be 1. So total 2 ways you are getting here. 2. Right. Sorry. 2. And means what I taught. And means nothing but it's a multiplication. And means nothing but it's the multiplication. Out of 4 chocolates you want to choose 1. So B1, B2, B3, B4. Previously I already explained. I have 4 chocolates. So either you can choose B1, either you can choose B2, either you can choose B3, either you can choose B4. Right. So 4. 2 into 4 equal to 8. So total 8 possible ways are there. Ways are there to choose the chocolates. So now I think here you understand how we can use this rule of addition and multiplication, or if the permutation combination will be not there, how suppose we can solve these questions. Okay, thank you. So let's come to the point again. So here I already saw AB and BA both are the same only. AB and BA both are same terms only. AB and BA both are the same terms only. So it is called selection, and if AB and BA both are not the same terms, then it is called permutations. Okay, leave these things. We are going to be clear with that written things. So it will be clear for you. We have three elements A, B, C. Out of three, what I said, I am going to be choose two. Out of three, I am going to be choose how much? Two element I am going to be choose. Two element I am going to choose. In how many? Available three elements. These are the three elements are available. So what are the things I can write for that? I can write A, B, B, C and AC. I will get three ways, right? So these three ways I am writing 3C2. 3C2. Why we are writing 3C2? This is, I already explained, this is selections, and C means nothing but it's a combinations, and N value is nothing but N is total options available, means to how many element will be there, how many element will be there, how many element will be there, we are going to be considered like N, right? Or how many options will be available, we are going to be say N. Out of available options, how many I am going to be select, what I am doing, select. So that called R value. How many I am going to be select, that is called R value. Means in this 3C2 means N value is this one, R value is this one. In out of three things I am going to select two things. Is it clear? Yeah. So that things C we are writing for combinations. I already explained this is combination. Whenever they are going to ask about selections, selection means combinations. How combination is different? Combinations is if AB equal to BA are the same. If AB and BA are going to be same, then it is combination, else it is permutation. In permutations also we will see. Let us suppose we have three elements. Out of three, if I am asking to this already this same three, if I am going to be arranged two elements, so how I will arrange AB, BA, BC, CB, AC, CA, right? Using these three one elements only I am creating here. But what you will say here, here you will AB or BA both are the things going to be count. So total we are going to be get here six ways. How many ways? Six ways we will get here, right? And we are denoting like in a 3P2 way. P means P is nothing but it's a permutations. 3 means N is total available options. This 2 is nothing but R means total things we are going to be select. Sorry, total option we are going to be arrange, not select. In permutation it is not selections, it's a arrangement. Clear? So in N we are writing these things in NPR way. NPR ways. Out of N things if they gave, and out of N I am going to select R. So how many ways I will get? I will get NPR ways. Clear? N is total available options and R is number of options we are going to be arranged. In permutations, how A, B and B are different, I already explained this, giving this example. 12 and 21 both are the not a same number, right? Okay. So before coming to this real world example, right, let us talk about some formula, important formula about. Okay, important formula, if you are going to n factorial means n into n factorial we can write in two ways. One ways can be like this also. N factorial we can write n into n minus 1, n minus 1 up to 1 we are going to, or I can write 1 to up to n, right? So 1